Bonjour guys, how are you? I hope everything is doing well. How is 2023 so far with you guys? We are the Valentine's month now. I hope everybody happy. Today I decided to make for you two eyeshadows only to apply on your eyelid. I picked Clé de Peau. Forgot what is the name of this colors. It's so beautiful. Yeah, only these two and maybe eyeliner and mascara. It will be pretty. And I already primed my face with my usual and every time I don't change this that much. I love this by Terry Serum, but I change every time this Chanel fluid, I don't know what do you call it, Le Blanc Éclat Rosy light drops. I change it every time for a change, but I love all the shades. And then I primed my lip with my lip glow too. Yep. This is Berry. I like this color. And then again the eyelid primer, eyeshadow lid primer from Tom Ford. I need to finish it, so I'm done with all this, and now we'll start with the eyeshadow. So now I will have different tackle, like we say. I will start first with the light. Let's try this with the light color, this one, and I will take again the same procedure, same process, my fluffy big, this is Chocohudo I think, and let's try little by little as you know me now. Yeah, I will make it in all my eyelid. But this is the light shade, by the way. Actually by itself it's so pretty too. I'm telling you, this is at least for one eyeshadow it will be perfect too. This is my Dolce & Gabbana brush. I don't know they still make it or no, but I like the size of it. Yeah, and then I will take the deeper one here, little by little, because this is very pigmented eyeshadow. Yeah, this is pretty too. I will just make it deeper here. Just give a little bit depth. Clé de Peau eyeshadows palettes is very pretty and very easy to blend too. Blend again with the light color, this one. Yeah, so pretty guys, so pretty, beautiful colors. It's beautiful. One color, it will be plenty. Okay, let me again, you know me, I am a little bit, I like drama in my eyes. Just add a little bit here in the corner. A flat brush. I like always to go back and take the lighter shade and just apply it here again in case it goes away with the blending or something. It's gone the rest of the word. Should lift. Don't know it does something or no, but I like it. Yep. This is my actually second one, and it lasts forever because it's fat pen, as you see, or pencil. Yeah, I like it. So let me go clean up, and maybe I will put the foundation too and the concealer. I will use this too, like last time, my by Terry and Tom Ford. Can you see them? I love these two combination. They are so good and easy. And I will come back to you guys. Don't go anywhere. I am back, guys. I'm done with everything, and now I put the bronzer too. Oldie but it's goodie. This is Makeup Forever. I love this one. It was matte bronze. I love it. I bet you they're still doing it, but different packaging. And then now I decided to have limited edition because I didn't use it for a while. Burberry. I bought it from Heathrow Airport. Blush palette. If you can see that. It's beautiful color, matches with my, you know, it's beautiful. Okay, brush, Chanel. Yeah, I love this one. It's very subtle. Yeah. Now another one, oldie but a goodie, Burberry. #1 Gold Glow. Love this one too. I love it. Yeah, I think they came back with a few makeup renovation, I think, which I like their product, but they quit for a while. Subtle one too, not crazy highlighter. Yeah, give you nice glow. Guys, I am done. I applied Tom Ford Casablanca, which is an oldie but a goodie, and Chanel lip gloss, both combination. I love it. So now what I have done, this is the bronzer. I love it. Beautiful Clé de Peau eyeshadow. Love this combination. Beautiful. Blush, Burberry. and then Burberry again, the highlight. I love this combination. I love this kind of makeup. It's only 2 eyeshadows, guys. Only 2. I used those 2 only, and just mascara and eyeliner, and that's it. And you are ready to go. It's very easy, and even you can use only one, the lighter one, or even this one, and that's it. Off to go. I hope you liked my video. Please give me a thumb up if you love it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love you to be with me there and join my small cute family there. And that's it. Have a lovely day. Bye.